We're on our way to Astoria. We're gonna go look at a building that we launched last year that we leased up. Funny thing is, it's actually across the street from my old high school. Go Bulldogs. I had a couple of one bedrooms popped up recently, so we're gonna go take a look at all of them. And recently the building was valued at $40 million, so let's check it out. Okay, so I'm here in the lobby of 1401 Broadway. From the street, the building actually looks massive. The frontage is 182 feet wide, but the building only consists of 82 apartments in total, and it's 8 stories. It's a full service building. Right when you walk in, you're greeted by a doorman. You can see it's a beautiful lobby. You have some nice decoration. There's a fireplace, and then you have books that you can borrow. Today, we're gonna go look at 3 different one-bedroom units, since that's the only thing I have access to, but let's head on upstairs. So this one is unit 4F, actually one of the larger ones than the other 2 that we're gonna go look at afterwards. One of the key features itself is the size of the kitchen and the kitchen counter. The kitchen counter itself is about 10 feet wide. So the trend nowadays is always for an open kitchen, and with a kitchen like this, it's definitely a great space for entertaining. So another cool thing is that if you do like to cook, all these kitchen vents do vent out of the building. What you usually see is an over-the-range microwave system, and what it does, it just recirculates air, whereas these actually vent out to the roof. There's a 5-burner range, and check this out. This one also has a spice rack. And you'll commonly see that a lot of new kitchens, all the cabinets and drawers don't slam. Appliances are from Samsung. You can see they have these larger French door refrigerators. Also Samsung dishwashers. Check out this incredibly wide living space. You can definitely set up a nice big sectional couch, and then with the size of this kitchen counter, you can definitely eliminate the need for a dining table. You can actually fit 5 to 6 stools here. So each room is going to have its own, these are called PTAC units that control air conditioning and heating. This bedroom is definitely going to be a little bit bigger than the ones you're going to see upstairs. This definitely fits a king-size bed, and you can fit a couple of extra pieces of furniture. The closet, same as the other building, you'll see has the California-style shelving built into it. Gives you a better idea for organization. And now to the best part, the balcony. Take a look at these city views. So these bathrooms also have the double-sized vanity mirror, deep soaking tubs, ceramic tile. And what's cool about these vanities is you can actually see they actually have custom drawers built in underneath the sink and around the sink pipe. The floors are also radiant heated, and then you have the medicine cabinet behind the door as well. Okay, so now we are in unit 5B. So this one is on the back side of the building. This is facing north. The kitchen is a little bit smaller, still has the same features. The living room space here is a little bit longer though. With this kind of space, you can still set up a large sectional couch and still put a dining table area and still have your bar stools here. So this bedroom is still a good size, fits a queen size bed comfortably, and you can still fit a dresser in the room. Closets also have the same California style shelving built in. And this balcony back here, it's a little bit deeper than the ones on the front side of the building, and you can definitely fit a couple of pieces of extra furniture in here, chairs, coffee tables, and whatnot. You can see some of how the neighbors have them set up. This is unit 7G, so this is the 3rd apartment option that we have. Now this apartment, the kitchen is enclosed. This is what's called a galley style kitchen. And if you don't mind having more than one cook in the kitchen, which we can all use to help, you can have one person manning the cooking station, and you can always have someone else prepping, and you're not in each other's way. We are back in the front side of the building facing south. You can see it's a good sized living room area. You'll be able to set up a dining space as well as a living room space. And in the bedroom itself, it's good size, definitely fit a queen size bed and still have a couple of extra pieces of furniture. You have the football field across from the building, so it's nice and open, and you have these open southwest views. And what's cool about these particular terrace spaces is it is very enclosed as opposed to a balcony which sticks out of the building. And so it's actually a lot more private and it is covered. All right, so let's go on upstairs and check out the amenity spaces. So this is the roof deck area. You can see there are tanning chairs. There's plenty of bench seating. They built a cool pergola and you have picnic tables and chairs and lounge seating. And take a look at this beautiful unobstructed city views. We are now in the building's tenant lounge. The space itself is equipped with big screen TVs, you have a fireplace, there's a library with books that you can borrow, and there's board games for entertainment as well. Space has a separate wet bar for if you're entertaining and whatnot. You can get catering set up, and it's a great place to serve drinks and food. You have a little pool table here, and there's areas that you can kind of work from home and study. All right, so over here we have the building's courtyard. This is 5,000 square feet. The space itself is equipped with a bocce ball court. You have a little green lawn area, and there are 2 barbecue grills as well. And then lounge seating, picnic tables and chairs. This is the building's fitness center. You can see they have plenty of cardio equipment. There's a Smith machine, you have free weights, bicycles, ellipticals, and there's a rowing machine as well. I forgot to mention there is a sauna in the gym. I mean, how freaking cool is that? But anyways, we've looked at 3 different 1-bedrooms today. Let me know which ones you guys like best. Leave it in the comments down below. It's been a full long day of filming. I'm gonna take full advantage of this sauna. I'll see you guys next time.